it today? Timmy is calling me. What are you guys doing?
Selamat pagi, Mummy.
Selamat pagi. What are you guys doing?
We're playing hide the ball.
Oh, can I join?
You can. Timmy won't let me sit down. He keeps saying, Daddy played, Daddy played.
Oh, cutie. Do you have your coffee yet?
Yes, do you want me to make you one?
Please. I'm coming down. Thanks, baby.
Where's it gone?
No balls? Here, mommy come to join you.
Where's
Where
the
is the
ball?
ball? Huh? Where is the ball?
I can see. I can see. What's this? This is the ball. Let me found the ball. Yeah.
Bring the ball to Daddy, please. Daddy.
Go.
Quickly, get the ball.
Yeah.
Hey,
the ball.
thank you.
Oh, let's hide the ball. Where is the ball? Where's my coffee?
I will make you one now. You said, don't worry, come down.
No, I said, yes, please. I am coming down.
Because we're pressing the button on the intercom.
Okay.
If you know what I mean,
When
it's
I was
broken,
talking,
yeah.
No, I said, yes,
I'll go
please.
make you one now.
And I'm coming down. So here I am, and no coffee.
I'll make you one now, alright?
Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. And I'm in a car park in Westfield, White City, because my friend asked me to come to do the shopping for his wife, because he's going home to Indonesia, which is very exciting for him. You know, he wants to buy a few bits for his family, especially because you know, his wife just gave birth. And then afterwards, if we have time, and then I'm going to meet my other friends, or our other friends, because there's this thing, Indonesian thing, in Liverpool Street, or somewhere in the city anyway, Old Street, Liverpool Street. My friend is already there. He said he's waiting at Costa Cafe. So I'm just gonna take you guys along as usual, and hopefully we can have some fun. We are having coffee and
Makanya murah banget kan, udah bill semuanya gitu, udah wifi.
right, that was really good breakfast. Now we are ready to go to the shop. I'm so jealous that you're going home.
Yeah, I'm going home on May next month. It's gonna be another 3 weeks.
See, I wish I'm going home, but you know what? Next time. Shopping is done. I got myself pack and Mama's pack. Lots of toys for his kids. When you have kids, always the important is like toys. Now we are going to have some lunch in Liverpool Street. Good daddy, buying some toys. Udah di sini aja. Di Indonesia. We are now in the Liverpool Street station. Yeah, waiting for our other friends. I'm hungry now. I want to eat something. Mana? Wait. Hello, Kinza.
Iya.
This one. Back to Westfield now. Yeah, maybe have some cocktail for early hours before we head home. First cocktail. Cheers, Alwi. Right, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go home, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday today. Oh my god, the weather is really nice. Wow, very sunny. I have my sunny.
Let me take your jacket off because you're really too hot in your jacket.
Yeah. Timmy, where are we going? We're going to play? Tim? Timmy, he does not like to sit in his like car seat. Do you want to go to play? Yeah. You have to be good boy, okay?
We have to get to the play though. We can't just like magically turn up.
Oh my god.
Yeah, my car is not starting very well, and I'm so worried that one day it's just shut down, which is, we don't need this these days now.
No, I mean that's gonna put everything on big hold if we have to.
Yeah, this is like white and blue. Here we are in the shopping mall. First thing first, we have to put him in a play area.
Nearly there, Timmy.
He's already grumpy. You see, we're going to play.
Is he gonna play?
Yes, please playing. I'm going to Primark. How convenient is this? There's the play. And there is Primark. How cute is this? But they don't have size S. They have size M. Done the shopping and then now picking up Timmy. Oh my god, my husband is so tall and then going. We are so hungry. We came out, we saw this Chinese place. You know, the buffet type thing. Oh my god, we eat buffet quite frequently because it's just easy. Just get in, grab what you need. You don't have to order. When you have toddler, it's just like everything has to be quick and okay guys, we are home now and oh my god, I'm so tired. Timmy wasn't sleeping very well for the last few weeks. Andrei had chickenpox. Maxie wasn't well as well. So it was quite, I don't know, tiring around the house. Good morning. It is Monday today. Were you sleeping with Dada? He was sleeping with his dad last night because, oh my god, look at my hair like a crazy woman. Because Andrei is still having his spot. How are you feeling, Andrei?
Good.
Yeah. Your spots are drying. His chickenpox are drying now, which is fantastic, but some of them still. So I don't think he's going to school. Max, come down please and have breakfast. See how you feel. Cannot go out today as well because of Andrei, so it's gonna be staying home with this boy. Right, we're back from school. I'm just making some smoothies. Look at that color. It's so green. I put spoon of what is it? Spirulina? Something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. But yeah, spirulina. Oh, it's so good. Andrei, you want some smoothie? What?
It's cold.
I know. Timmy, you want smoothies?
It's crazy.
I'm gonna run a bath for Andrei in, you know, I put some oat, lavender oil and tea tree oil, as well as, what is that? Soda, bicarbonate soda or something like that. Apparently it's very good. Hey guys, it is Tuesday today and the weather is really good. Oh no, this rose is dying already. My husband bought me roses yesterday when he came from work. I think it's from Tesco. And I want to show you this. Look, one of these is like dying. 1, 2, almost all of them. It is not very good, but yeah, what kind of, sometimes it's just like that. And it's beautiful, it's a nice color. I really loved it. Yeah, my husband yesterday bought me flowers or roses because, you know, he said, you know, I've been very tired, and he's very sweet like that because you know how Andrei been not well for the past few days. I mean, he had chickenpox. Today is the first day he went back to school. So yeah, I'm back to like my kind of routine. But yeah, I haven't been sleeping properly, so he thought I was tired and he got me these roses, which is dying today. Okay, it is already like 2:30 now, so I have to go and get ready to pick up Andrei and Max from school. And Timmy, he is sleeping. Oh. Bless him, he sleeps really well. Okay, baby boy. Oh, we're going to pick up Andrei and Max from school. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Drinking Michi. Drinking milk. Alright guys, I'm just gonna see you in a bit. Look at you. How cute. Oh my god, Andrei is playing with Timmy. I think I'm gonna join them, but I'm gonna change my clothes. Okay, I'm just hurrying. I'm coming to join you guys.
Oh, still one, Timmy.
Timmy, look like this. Yeah.
Ready? Come on, Timmy, do that again. Do it again. Come on. Ready, steady.
You want to do?
Yeah. Right.
You want to do roly-poly?
Good job, guys.
Mommy, roly-poly.
Okay.
Roly-poly.
That's easy. Watch me.
Roly-poly. Wow. Where is Max? Max is underneath.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh. You okay? Coming to get that baby boy. I'm coming to get that boy. Where is that little boy? Where is that little boy? I'm coming. I'm coming. Good morning. It is Wednesday today. Oops. You want some smoothie, Timothy? Hmm? Come here. Come on then. Hey. No, Mama hold it. Mama hold it. It's gonna fall. Oh my God, Timothy. Good boy. Yummy? Okay, I think we are going first to library to read some book with Timmy. Then we go to the park, make him tired, and then I will go and get shopping. Hopefully he will have a nap on his pram. And then yeah, that's it, and then going home. Yeah. He's been doing really well holding hand to the pram. He just likes to walk, and I like to let him walk anyway, so it's make him, you know, it's good exercise for him. Be careful, be careful. 1, 2, 3, wee! 1, 2. You can lie down, yeah?
I want to lay down.
Oh, good. Lie down on your front. On your tummy again. No? On your tummy again. Wow! That was brilliant. Timmy now starting to slide down on his tummy. You go again. Yeah! Just popped into Matalan. Now it's finished. We're just gonna go home. Timmy is still not sleeping. I still have to get fish. I got distracted passing by Matalan. Timmy still hasn't had his nap. And I think it's already 1 o'clock or 1:30 or something. Anyway, I got some goodie from Matalan. Just for Timmy mainly, because he needs some stuff.